morning, ate.
I'm Irish Gail Kuchonko from BSA 2.
What's your name po and section po?
In-enjoy ko lang, business ad major in financial management, second year college.
So, may we ask mo, what's your honest review about the movie that you watched po last time?
It's surprisingly great. Actually, sobrang taas na expectation ko since kilala ko yung mga nag-produce ng movie and personally, alam ko din yung magiging flow niya. So, nag-expect talaga ako ng magandang result and ng magandang outcome ng produce nila. And, nakaka-surprise yung plot twist kahit na alam ko naman na yung kwento. Pero, magaling lang yung execution ng actors, pati nung mismong editing and ng camera angles, you know. Kasi it plays a lot of it plays a role dun sa talagang execution ng story. I mean, yung flow ng story is arranged siya, parang organized siya, kumbaga. So, ayun, na-meet niya naman yung expectation ko.
So, ate, can you please give us some insight about the movie po that you watched earlier?
Nung napanood ko yung The Value of X, is sobrang ganda talaga. Simula umpisa hanggang dulo is may intindihan mo talaga na dapat hindi ka lang pala talaga mag-focus sa X dahil hindi mo talaga makikita yung talagang nagkakagusto din pala sa'yo na yung hindi pala yung ex mo, hindi lang yung ex mo na yung nandiyan. Marami ding nagkakagusto sa'yo na mas nag-focus. Na siya pala yung mas nag-e-effort pa actually kaysa sa ex mo. Ayun. Sobrang ganda.
So, siguro kung i-rate ko yun, 1 million. Ayun lang.
Sige, thank you po, ate.
What's your rating about the movie?
Siyempre, 10/10 ako dyan.